Hey Raj, yesterday you said something to the waiter at the restaurant, and honestly, it made me laugh a little.
Oh, what did I say?
You said, you should bring me the menu now. That sounded a bit like an order, not a request.
Wait, really? I thought that was a polite way to ask.
That's exactly why today's lesson is lesson 28. How to use could, would, and should in real English conversations. These three words are so similar, but they change the whole tone of a sentence.
Okay, I definitely need this then because I clearly don't know the difference properly.
Let's start with could. We mainly use it for two things: polite requests and possibility.
Can you give me an example of the polite request one?
Sure. Could you pass the salt, please? It sounds much softer than just saying, can you?
Oh, so could is basically the polite version of can?
Exactly. And for possibility, we say things like, it could rain later, meaning it's possible but not certain.
Let me try one. Could you help me with this file?
Perfect. Nice and polite.
Okay, so what should I have said to the waiter instead?
You should have used could. Could you bring me the menu, please? Much softer, and it sounds like a request, not a command.
Yeah, that instantly sounds better, even just saying it.
Small word, big difference in tone. Okay, next. Would. This one also has a few uses.
Let's hear them.
First, polite requests, similar to could. Like, would you mind closing the window?
So could and would are basically the same then?
Very close, yes, both are polite. But would has another important job: hypothetical situations, imagining something that isn't real. Like, if I had more time, I would travel more.
Oh, so it's for what if type situations?
Exactly. Try making one.
If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house.
Perfect. Great example.
Is there a third use?
Yes, past habits. Like, when I was a kid, I would visit my grandmother every summer. It describes something you regularly did in the past.
Oh, that sounds a bit like used to.
Good connection. They're very similar. I used to visit and I would visit mean almost the same thing here.
Okay, let me try a childhood one. I would play cricket with my friends every evening after school.
Perfect example of a past habit.
Okay, last one now. Should. My favorite, apparently, for accidentally sounding rude.
Let's fix that. Should is mainly used for advice and mild obligation, not commands. Like, you should drink more water, meaning it's good advice, not an order.
So it's meant for advice, not requests to other people?
Exactly. That's the mistake you made with the waiter. Should works great for advice about someone's own life, but it sounds commanding when directed at someone doing something for you.
So you should rest more is fine, but you should bring me water is not.
Exactly right.
Okay, let's test this. Give me a few sentences and I'll tell you if the word choice is right or needs fixing.
Okay. You should call your mother. She'll be happy to hear from you.
That's correct. Genuine advice.
You should give me the report by 5 p.m.
That sounds commanding. Better as, could you give me the report by 5 p.m.?
Correct. Would you like some tea?
Correct. Polite offer.
If I had wings, I would fly everywhere.
Correctly. Correct. Nice hypothetical sentence.
Perfect, Raj. You got everyone.
Honestly, this makes so much more sense now, especially the should mix up.
Let's summarize. Use could for polite requests and possibility. Use would for polite requests, hypothetical situations, and repeated past habits. Use should for advice and mild obligation about someone's own actions, not for ordering others around.
Let me redo my restaurant line properly, one more time. Excuse me, could you bring me the menu, please?
Perfect, Raj. Completely polite.
That sounds so much better than how I said it originally.
So, friends, try making one sentence using could, would, or should correctly based on something from your own day and comment it below.
We'll check them out and let you know if you nailed it.
If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep breaking down tricky grammar like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And next time, I promise, could, not should.
Perfect, Raj. Bye, everyone.